Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Keep Calm and Make Money. It's the first channel of a kind where you will find things on your spiritual and financial growth. Now, without wasting time, let me take you to the hot topic of today. What's the next Bitcoin? Now, the answer will surprise you. A lot of people, when they talk about Bitcoin, they think that it will be Ethereum, Solana, or the next hot meme. The thing is, it's not even Bitcoin, and it is about it. Bitcoin has done 1.5x in the last 1 year. This thing has done 10x in the last 45 days alone. Now, let me take you there. It is quantum computing, and this has taken the crypto world by a storm because theoretically, quantum computing can break Bitcoin's code. And there has been a lot of debate on this, like when quantum computing comes into place, Bitcoin is finished. But what I think in practicality, practically we are light years away from that. So don't get scared if you own Bitcoin, because I do as well. And let me now take you to the ticker symbols on quantum computing. Now, what is quantum computing? Quantum computing means essentially a computer which can really do very high speed complex calculations at the speed of light years. I would not delve into the technology too much, but let me show you a bit of information and news on that. So, there is a report from McKinsey which I'm sharing here that quantum computing will be creating value worth trillions of dollars in the next decade. And what McKinsey thinks, now this I've taken from directly from the website of McKinsey.com, dollars by 2035, which is a huge amount of money. And this sector is very nascent. It's the companies in this sector, the bigger some of the biggest companies sector, they're not even worth in billions right now. So there's going to be huge growth. Now, let me take you to some of the ticker symbols. So all the big companies like Google, Dell, IBM, Honeywell are invested in some form in quantum computing, but they are not the ones which are making the strides. There are some lesser known players. Let me share those ticker symbols with you. So the lesser known players which have really made a huge amount of growth in the last few years are RGTI, Rigetti Computing, which has done UBTS, which has done 9x in the last 60 days, INQ, which has done 5x in the last 90 days, and this is QUBT, which is an ETF, which has done a 50% return in the last 120 days. Let me take you to the charts of these tickers. So as you can see here, this is RGTI, which is Rigetti Computing. Now, Rigetti Computing has done 10x in less than 45 days. It started off right here when the news from Google came, which was that Google announces quantum computing breakthrough. And this was the news which really took the world by storm, that Google has created the world's first quantum computing computer, and that was like in December. So, but anyways, now as you can see here, Rigetti Computing has done 10x in the last 45 days. We have D-Wave Quantum Inc., which has done 9x in the last 70 days. We have INQ, which has done 5x in the last 90 days, and the last is an ETF, Defines Quantum ETF, which has done 50% returns in the last 120 days. Now, all these have really done like really well. As you can see, like in November, Rigetti Computing was something around like dollar 20 or dollar 30, and from there it has grown almost 10x in the last 45 days. Now, obviously at these price levels you are going to see a bit of like retracement happening, so I wouldn't say that you should be jumping into the trade right now, but do keep it in your watch list. So as you can see, what I feel is like it should retrace something around here, and when you see a retracement, these are really good levels to buy. So that may happen in the next 1 or 2 months, and then from there we can see a new spurt of growth happening, which will take these to another 10x levels. I would say a price of around 120 to $150 is it's quite easy from these levels. So thank you so much for watching, and Let me share my disclaimer that nothing is a financial advice. Do your own research. And it's an interesting YouTube channel, so I would advise you to do like and subscribe. We will have make money section. We will be talking about growing your wealth, and we will also be giving you crypto and stock recommendations. And we also have a keep calm section where we will be talking about spiritual and personal growth. Thank you. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.